no Xbox handheld, Microsoft's shaking things up by pausing development to supercharge Windows 11 for gaming on the go. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into the surprising pivot and what it means for Project Canon. Stick around. This is a game changer for handhelds. GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming, tech, and cutting-edge updates. Rumors of an Xbox handheld have been swirling, but Windows Central reports Microsoft shelved it to focus on optimizing Windows 11 for handheld gaming. With competition heating up from Steam OS and Nintendo Switch 2, let's unpack Microsoft's big move. Microsoft's revamping Windows 11 to fix battery life and navigation issues that plagued earlier handhelds. This optimized OS will power third-party devices like Project Canon, an Xbox-branded Asus handheld expected later in 2025, delivering Xbox cloud gaming and native titles with better performance. Why the shift? SteamOS is gaining ground on devices like Lenovo's Legion Go S and Nintendo Switch 2 drops this month. By pausing their own handheld, Microsoft's betting on a killer Windows 11 experience to rival Valve and Nintendo. Expos are buzzing. Gamers are split but intrigued. Project Canon won't be affected by the pause and could steal the show with Xbox Game Pass integration. While Microsoft's next-gen consoles are still on track for 2027, this Windows 11 glow-up could make 2025 the year of handheld gaming. GadInsider fam, are you hyped for a revamped Windows 11 on handhelds or bummed about no Xbox handheld? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider. Smash that like button, share with your gaming crew, and let's keep the convo going. Stay portable and stay GadInsider.